everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up a cosy autumn in Amsterdam theme weekly spread in my A5 Tiefossi journal. I'm creating a horizontal Dutch door layout and decorating with DIY stickers I made using clip art from LianaScrap on Etsy. So grab a warm drink, get comfy and come and journal with me. These are the stickers that I've created here. I love the colours in this theme. These are what we're going to be using today. I think I'm going to do 3 Dutch doors. So let me count the pages. 1, 2, 3. And we'll start on the back page. I'm going to put the stickers down on this page first. I've designed this one here to fit perfectly on this page. So I'm going to put this at the top. When I designed this sticker, it was all images of different houses and I put them together. I like that there. Right, I'm going to grab my scissors and just trim this little bit that's overlapping the page. Take some washi tape and mark where that ends so I know where to start the Dutch door on the next page. So now, as you can see, the washi tape's hanging out and I know where that the sticker underneath ended. I'm going to take this canal boat. I'm going to put it just going over that washi tape a little bit. I'll put this boat next. I'll take this one. I'm going to put it here. I like that. Now I'm going to take my cutting mat and put it underneath. I'm going to just turn my journal and grab my gyro cut. I'm just going to cut along the top of these stickers that I've laid down. Check that's gone through. Looks like it has. Yeah. I'm going to push my cutting mat as further as I can to the spine. I'm going to take my craft knife. And I'm going to cut along this edge. Got to make sure I don't cut into the spine. Just cut it again, I've not done it enough. Oh, I'm having trouble with it. Oh, it's because it's got a sticker on the other side. Just need to press a little bit harder. Just going to cut from this side. Right, let's turn the journal around. I'm going to remove that washi tape. And that's the front of the first Dutch door. I think that looks really nice. I can do the back of this Dutch door now. So I flipped the images when I was printing them out, so they should fit perfectly on the back of this Dutch door. So I'm going to grab the boats again, take this one, and I'll put it here. I'm going to take this one, it goes in the middle. And take the next one. And that's the back of that Dutch door done. I like that. The next Dutch door, I designed this sticker using some alphabet clip art that I got from LianaScrap. I will put the link for it in the description box for you if you're interested in getting the set. Also, I've got a discount code for LianaScrap. I will link that in the description box as well. It's for 60% off. I really enjoyed designing these stickers. It brings the city vibes into my journal without needing to travel. This theme would be perfect for someone who's going to travel to Amsterdam as well. Cutting the Dutch doors can feel scary for the first time, but once you've done it, you'll want to do it all the time, because it's so fun. Remember, you don't need to be an artist to create something beautiful, just enjoy the process. I hope this video gives you inspiration to try a spread like this yourself. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you found my channel. And to everyone who's returning, thank you for being here. It means the world to me. We're slowly getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for each one of you. Once we hit 1,000, I'll be doing a little giveaway as a thank you, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoy cozy journaling content, I'd love if you stick around and subscribe. Right, that's 2 Dutch doors done. I think what I'll do now is decorate this back page. I'm going to take this stay sticker, I'm going to place it at the top of this page. Make sure that it's not seen. There we are. Now I'll add some boxes. I'm going to put a box here. And I'll take one of the orangey boxes and put it here. I'm just going to add some stickers and some boxes on each of these pages, and then I might do another Dutch door. I'm now going to add another Dutch door, so I'm going to mark it again with washi tape. I think I'm going to use this sticker on the next Dutch door. So I want it to kind of be in that position. I'm just going to stick it down there and hope for the best. I think on this page I'm going to add some washi tape. So I'm just going to grab that blue one. I'm just going to put it across the page here, like that. I'll just trim this bit off. I'm going to get my craft knife. I'm going to very lightly cut here, and then I'm going to cut around here. Very lightly so I don't go through the page. And then I'm going to remove this bit. Like that. I'm going to turn my journal. I'm going to grab my cutting mat. And I'm going to cut around the sticker with my gyro cut. Let's check it's gone through. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to use my craft knife to cut along the top of this washi tape. And I think I'll grab a ruler. I'm just going to cut along here. That's turned out good. I just need to cut along the spine, but not cutting into the spine, and remove this page. Right, let's turn the journal around and have a look. I like how that looks, it's very pretty. Right, I need to do the back of this Dutch door. If you could pick any city for a journaling theme, what would you choose? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to add this girl, but it's not the same image on the other side, but it's going to fit. And I think that'll look nice there. Right, what should I do now? I'm going to add the day sticker. I'm just going to go through the rest of the spread, adding boxes and some more stickers, and I'll just let you watch me. Right, that's the spread finished, so let's have a look at it. And here it is, so there's the first page. I really love these colours. Everything I've used today I will link in the description box for you, with any coupon codes and links I have. If there's any theme that you would like me to do, let me know in the comments. I really like how this has turned out. I just need to put some lines here and that's all done. Thank you so much for journaling with me today. I hope this Autumn in Amsterdam Dutch door spread inspires you to try something like this in your journal. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!